Hello my students, how are you? I hope you are all doing well. This is your teacher Karim. This is a makeup video. In this video, we are going to have a revision. Let's get started. Unit 2, Everyday, Revision. Vocabulary, Students Book, page 15. Do my homework. Do my homework. Brush my teeth. Brush my teeth. Have a shower. Have a shower. Get dressed. Get dressed. Comb my hair. Comb my hair. Adverbs of frequency. Always, sometimes, never. Examples. I always get up at 8 o'clock. I sometimes play football. I never play basketball. People at work. Students Book, page 18. Firefighter. The firefighter puts out fires. Lifeguard. The lifeguard saves people. Dentist. The dentist fixes teeth. Pilot. The pilot flies planes and helicopters. Farmer. The farmer grows fruits and vegetables. Photographer. The photographer takes photos. Story time, Students Book, page 22 and page 23. What do you want to be? I get up at 6 o'clock in the morning every day. I have a shower. Then I get dressed and I have breakfast. At 7 o'clock, I take the train to work. I want to be a dentist too. I drive my car to work. Sometimes I have breakfast, lunch, and dinner at work. Or no, I want to be a firefighter. I take the bus to work and I cook all day. Sometimes I go home late. I want to be a chef too. What do you want to be, Dexter? I want to be a cat. Value. Every job is important. This is all for now. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon. Goodbye, my students.